Meaning of fossilization.
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 Fossilization. Fossilization refers to the process by which organic material, such as bones or plants, is replaced by minerals over time, resulting in a hardened and preserved form of the original organism. This process occurs when the remains are buried quickly and under the right conditions, such as in sedimentary rock or volcanic ash. As the organic material decays, it leaves behind a mold, which is then filled in with minerals that give the fossil its hardened and preserved form. The result is a unique and invaluable record of ancient life on Earth, providing insight into evolution and environmental changes over millions of years.